How to log into Epic Games using your username. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into your Epic Games account using your username. So let's say if you have forgotten your email address that's connected to your username, or you don't have access to your email but you still remember your username, then you will be able to log into your account. First thing first, on your web browser search for Epic Games. And from here, you're just going to open the first result. That's the official website for Epic Games. So from here, you want to head over to support first. And once you get to support, you just have to scroll down until you see the account section. So from here, you're just going to click on accounts. And now here you have to fill in options. So if you go ahead and scroll on contact us. So once you get to this page, after clicking on contact us, you will have different options like I'm unable to log into my account. So you can click right here and then you will get to this page. Now here you will have to choose the second option. I don't remember which email is linked to my account, so click on search for your email. Now you can find your account using either your display name, your account ID, or your connected accounts. So I'm just going to choose the display name and enter my display name right here, which I'm hoping that you guys also remember yours, and click on search for email. So once you do that, Epic Games will go through its database to find the email that's connected to this specific account name. So as you can see here, account has been found. Now all you have to do here is go ahead and click on request an email change. So if you don't remember your email or you don't have access to your email, you can request for an email change, and here you will have to log into your different emails. So just enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions. And once you do that, you should be able to get access to your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.